Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Dividasi with a Rath Yatra special recipe. We all know that Jagannath loves malpuas and these malpuas are made by different methods, giving varieties of malpuas. Generally, malpuas take time to get prepared, but today we will be seeing instant as well as how to make malpuas with minimal healthy ingredients. Malpua is a chief sweet offered to Lord Jagannath. So this Rath Yatra, let's offer Jagannath with these soft crispy malpuas. So let's get started. First, let's prepare the syrup. For this, heat 1.5 cup of water in a vessel. Into this add 3/4 cup of chopped jaggery. Now stir both this well and let the jaggery melt on medium flame. Well, we won't be using sugar to make these malpuas. Stir now and then so that the mixture doesn't stick or burn. After 5 minutes, you can see the jaggery has melted and we have got a syrup ready. Now switch off the flame. Now take a vessel and place a strainer on it. Pour the syrup and filter it. This would remove all the impurities from the syrup, if any. So done. We have got a pure syrup. Let's proceed further. Here I have taken a mixing bowl. Into this add 1.5 cup of wheat flour, half teaspoon fennel seed powder, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Now mix it roughly. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. And these malpuas are sugar free and the jaggery itself is truly healthy. Next, pour the jaggery syrup that we had prepared. Make sure it is lukewarm. Add a part of it and using a whisk, combine it well. For this recipe, we are going to use wheat flour only. And now add some more syrup, whisk it. Note that the syrup is lukewarm, so we need to be a bit quick. And make sure everything incorporates well with each other and these are no lumps left in the batter. You can see our batter is lump free and ready, and you can see its consistency also. This is how it must be. Now cover this batter and let it rest aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's check our batter. Give it a mix. Previously, I had shared the recipe of other malpuas as well, and I have given their link in the description box. You can also try them. Now we need to beat this batter for another 5 minutes. Beat it fast using a spoon or hand. The more we beat, the better malpua we get. So continue this for 5 minutes. It has been 5 minutes and I have beaten it well. With this, our malpua batter is ready. Now quickly heat a pan. Into this add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now pour a spoon of batter from a certain height. Do not touch it using the spoon and also don't spread it after pouring. Pour as much batter you want to get the desired size of malpuas. Now let the malpuas cook on medium flame until you see its edges turning golden and crispy. You can see the edges have turned darker. Now carefully flip the malpua and let it cook on other side as well. So we get such easy, instant and healthy malpuas with very few ingredients, and these are really delicious. Let's flip it and check. Perfect, and this is done. The flavor of fennel seeds is exotic and it adds up a wonderful flavor. And we should be cooked in ghee only so that it gets a wonderful traditional flavor. Our malpua is ready. Now let's take in a plate. Similarly, make another one. Add some ghee and spread it. Pour a spoon of batter and let it cook until the edges turn crispy. Now flip it and let it cook well. Press it gently and cook both the sides. This is done. Take it into a plate now and similarly make all the malpuas. All the malpuas are ready. Now let's garnish them with chopped almonds and chopped pistachios. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Shri Shri Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Mai on this Rath Yatra festival. Our instant malpuas are offered and ready. You can also serve it with rabdi. If you like Bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, and